Now scatter plot, I don't think we want it to look like this. Let's remove the ear also. Now this is one plot we are seeing. Now what I'll like try to do, let me add customer name as the details. Okay, so details we have added. Now in this scatter plot, what we have done here is, so basically we have taken x as a time and y also as a time. Okay, so x is also a time, y is also a time, and both the things we are combining together on the axis, and then we are providing certain details which can be used for this visual. So in this manner what we are going to have is, we will have this scatter visual. Now in this scatter visual we can actually, now this is looking like company wise, and let's say I go ahead and put the ring time as color. So now these are colored based on the ring time, okay, which is having a higher color or ring color. Now there is certain things like size, okay, I can increase and decrease. Again, we can add labels. This color, and let's look at this. This is right now automatic. Okay, and ring I don't want like bar or something like that, so basically I would have to stay on the shapes only. Okay, and we have a shape option also. Let's go ahead and drag something on shapes. Let's say country. If we drag on shapes, what happens? Okay, add all members, and you see, what are the different kind of shapes you are able to get it out here. So this is Tableau for you. You look at the kind of amazing visualization which you are getting, and I'm now set it to the entire view from here at top, and you are getting, for country which are the shapes, and all those 10 shapes should be the ideal one. We have added everything. That's not the greatest thing we should add, but look at these visuals, how they are behaving, how beautiful they look at it. So that's Tableau for you. Let's take a pause, try out these visuals, and we will continue our journey post this pause. So these are the various visual which we have explored, and now actually I hope that you would have practiced it here, and let's look at various other options. So let's say if I put it to the presentation mode, this is how it look like, and then I can actually click here, or I click here, and I can have include and exclude option. Okay, so if I say exclude, and there would be some option. If I say include, there would be an action keep only. So if I keep only, I'll get Afghanistan. Now I can switch off the mode, and then this is the filter. I can drag it filter, and if I want some other filter, let's say if I want a date filter, I can drag it, and then I say year, and then I say next, and then I can choose whichever year I want, and I can say okay. Okay, so decreasing it. Okay, so now this is these are the things which we can actually do quickly with the Tableau visual. Now presentation mode was there. Now we have this highlighter. Let's see, let's click on this one. Okay, okay, so we can use it. Now let's look at there is something which we can use, show mark labels and all those. I don't think table layout, special, filter, legends. So right now I think we are displaying legends here, and if I go here, analysis and legends, and then say color legend, this legend, shape legends, and if I uncheck one of them, that goes away. So it's your wish, whatever you wanted to keep, you can actually keep those. Okay, now there is a share option where you can actually share via Tableau online. You can create a URL and do it. Okay, now similarly format, workbook, reference line, drop lines, and all those options we will explore on the future videos. So okay, now let's clean this up. Okay, now let's again look at once more. Let's say we get this customer and we get this country. Okay, we got this data, and let's put some measure also here. Let's say total time, let's put it here in the between. Okay, we got it. Now we are getting the numbers, and now if I want to swap it, so I don't have to actually go back and drag it here and there. Actually there is an option, I can actually simply swap it here in the Tableau. So I can do that. Now this is the clean option we have already seen. Now this is duplicate. So let's say I want to duplicate this. I created, now there is a 4.1 page and 4.2 page which has been created. So just duplicate it. I don't have to do much effort. Now these are options which are readily given. Now new worksheet, new dashboard, new story, all those we will create. We'll create those in the future one. We're just exploring the options which are available here. Then shadings, borders, and all those things we are going to explore. Like I have this option now which I can go ahead and explore, and all those options, format borders, this lines, all these options we will explore in the future, and you can cross this if it's there. And then we have this analytics tab, where we have constant line. So let's make it some other visual and see, and try to explore. Let's say we make it as a bar visual, and now we go to the analytics tab and you start seeing, let's say you need a constant line. Okay, so what is the value you need for constant line? Let's say I need it 50. Average line, which kind of line I need like this. Okay, median and quartiles, let's say I need it like this. So all these options, quick options, are available in Tableau. So this is Tableau is all about visualizing things in a better manner. You are doing data analytics, but visualizing it is like something which is not parallel to Tableau. That's what you will find when you keep on learning these things, and when you keep on looking at each and every visual, when we go into the details, and that the way we try to use it in depth for those visuals, and you will see, okay, there's a lot you can do with each and everything. So what you have to do is you have to keep on practicing Tableau. So let's go and look what else we wanted to do. Like percentage of total is one thing which we talked about little bit couple of times, and we have not tried that out. So let's clean this visual up. Let's see, like I want to get a percentage of total, or let's say total talk time. So again, let's bring this company name, and then let's bring total time. Now if I go here and click here, right click, so you can say add quick calculations, and there are a lot of quick calculation running total, and then one of them is percentage of total. Okay, so it's available with us. Okay, similarly I go to the talk time, I drag it here. Okay, now I know this is some talk time in this one. Okay, in the label I still see talk time and percentage of total. I can see out here because both of them are available. If it is not available, I can go and make that particular label also as percentage of total. That's also the possibility which we have. And these labels are editable. We can actually go ahead and design the way we want it. It is not that Tableau is going to decide. So if I want in one line, I can remove this and then press this and do this and say okay. Okay, so all these we can do. So now look at different way. Now we can make it a little bit bigger actually. Let's say Control Z. Let's give it more size. Okay, so we have actually can go here and we'll get this little bit of tricky, but we can actually go ahead and make it bit bigger and look at it. So see, this is altogether different view. See, the moment we go and decide tooltip details, how they need to be shown, we can change those format pretty quickly. That's where the beauty of the Tableau is. So this is a little bit of overview of Tableau what we have taken, and we'll continue to explore this in this class more. So take a pause,